Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Today I just found out my fuel tank toolbox combo for my truck just arrived at the shop, so we're headed there right now. We're gonna go get it and we're gonna go do the install. I'm gonna show y'all what I've already done, piping in the gravity feed kit onto my factory fuel system. So I'm gonna show that to you, and we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pipe this thing in, set the fuel tank inside my bed, and screw it down, go fill it up, make sure we don't have any leaks, and we'll be good to go for hauling trailers further distances now. So let's go check it out. There it is. Fuel tank toolbox combo. Let's see if it tells us how many gallons. 80. If we see it right there. 86 gallons. No extra 86 gallons on board now. Get on this forklift here. Guys, so I pretty much got a lot of this thing already together without video on it, so unfortunately I forgot about it. So I'm just going to show you what we got going on. Alright, so here's what I got going on right now. I got the fuel tank toolbox combo in the truck. I had an issue with this fuel pump right here, and we finally got it in there. It took about an hour and a half just to get this fuel pump in. That's why I'm still working on this. But we got that in. Right now I'm working on getting my connection made up that goes to my factory fuel tank. So I'm gonna get up underneath the truck and show y'all what I got going on underneath there. I've already got it piped in. Had it previously done. I've had it done for about a month now actually. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get underneath it, let y'all look at what all we got done down there, and let y'all see it. All right, we're underneath the truck now, and right now I'm gonna show you what we got going on with the gravity feed kit, piping it into the truck on the fuel tank. So there's a ball valve right here that I know you can't see that. Let me try to get up in here. About as good as I can get a view on it. So there's a little ball valve in there that goes to a 90, and then let's let it focus. That 90 runs that little line right there up. You can see where it goes up there through that one. That goes back up on top of the bed, goes into the tank. So you just cut your factory filler neck line, which is this line, the big line right here, goes to your factory fuel tank. You just cut it and then put this little T in. Fuel line runs down into it and keeps you full all the time. It's that easy, that simple, nothing to it. So works really good. So if any of y'all are wondering how to do that, it's super simple. Just cut that line right there, put that thing in, pipe it in, a couple of hose clamp on top, and that's it. That's all there is. Alright, we got our fuel pump. So we're going to put the tube on.
Hobby line 1.
Hey, that makes it stand only one way. Hey, can you hold it? It's really hard though. Okay.
Are you needing thread tape on it?
No. If it don't work, I can pull it back out and put some on it, but it's plastic, and that plastic going into that aluminum like that, it makes a pretty good seal.
You're doing great. Shouldn't that be on this side?
No.
Why not?
because I'm gonna fill it up. I want to fill both. I want to fill my regular tank and
You gotta run this tank into your other tank.
Yeah, I already got it lined in. I just got to drill a hole. I just had to see where I was gonna mount this first. I don't like that. I honestly can't tell you. I can't get it on the wall.
Whoa.
It's only about 2 turns in.
Lift it up and down any? Or is that the...
Holy crap.
How do these look?
Pretty bad. Oh yeah, those are real bad. That's my first time trying to get it in there. I got that fuel tank installed yesterday. So let's check it out. This thing was custom made. It's made by Aluminum Tank Industries. You can see right here. Aluminum Tank Industries, they're out of Florida, Winter Haven, Florida. And this is actually an 86-gallon tank. So what I did is I had this thing made where it fits, as you can see, right underneath this part of the headache rack. Fits right underneath there, all the way across. I had it where it fits right up against there, and enough room in there on the sides to go ahead and get the fuel valve in, so I could pipe it down to my truck. So that's the reason I did that. So I got my fuel pump on, got it done. One of the things I had to do that I had to change was I had to put a different cap on it. So I actually ordered a different cap because I actually have to use channel locks to get this one on and off right now. So this is just a 2-inch NPT or NTP, however you say that, nipple sticking up right now because the fuel cap that was on it is vented and too much fuel was coming out. So I put this fuel cap on it, and now it does not. I mean, I can feel right here there was fuel all over this, all over the back side of the bed down there. There's not even any fuel right here where it would be leaking. So I think I fixed that problem for the time being until my new fuel cap comes in. So yeah, it's a 86-gallon tank, L-shaped tank. You can see it right there. I actually was able to put 90 gallons even in it. And you see it's got the toolbox on it. Open this thing up. So yeah, it's got a really decently sized toolbox. I got my fuel pump in here where it literally, I know you can't tell hardly in the camera, but it does not touch right there. It's literally a 1/16 of an inch away, but I can see daylight through it. But everything seems to work good. No touching, no rubbing. Closes good. I need to adjust my lid because it actually doesn't make contact very good, so I need to adjust these right here and push them up a little bit so it actually closes the lid down a little bit tighter, keep a little bit more water out. I can probably take these strips off too. Let's do that right now, actually. See if I can get this last one off right here. Well, this one right here is tucked down behind there. It don't want to come out. All right, got it all off. All right, so let's see if we can get out here and see this. So if you see down there, there's a little cutoff valve, and I put a 90. There you go. I put a 90 right there with a cutoff valve on it, and came out and I drilled about 1.25 inch hole right there. And that's where I sent my fuel line down. Now I've got that little red cap that I know my hand's too big to get down there to reach, so I'll have to get something down in there to get that red cap out sometime. So this gap right here is obviously not very big. So I made it as big as you can make it, and it still worked. The only mount I've got on it right now is this one self-drilling screw. The tank stays in there just fine by itself, so that just keeps it from sliding around. I would like to get in there and mount some more screws or bolts down here in the side mounts on each side, so I may try to work on doing that at some point, but that's going to be a pretty good project. I'll have to let this tank empty back out and then move it. So we're back at the house, guys. I forgot to film an outro, so here we are, sun setting in the background. I hope that this video helps somebody down the road if y'all are installing a fuel tank or a gravity feed system for your vehicle, your truck. Maybe this will help somebody, show them something that they might not have known before they did it. But if anybody's got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. If not, take care. Have a great day.